welcome back to another video. Now today we are back with Supermarket Simulator. Now today I don't know what we're doing, but I do know that we did buy a product license in the last video. So we should have new products. Yep, there it is. Bottled water, cheese, mozzarella. So having this means we gotta have like some sort of new furniture. So I don't know if I have the money for a fridge. No, I do not. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And yeah. So open. You know, I was thinking I could get another shelf, you know, and just place it here and order some new products. Or just order these same products and put that here, and then we can save it for a refrigerator. I don't know. Okay, to pay cash. Okay, card 23.58. And if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you got some oil, sugar, and stuff. Looks like you're cooking food tonight. Okay, just oil and 5.55. Okay, so you need 21 out of 10, a 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, you got oil. You need 1, 2, 25, 10, 10. Boom. I'm getting better at this game, I think, for the moon. Okay, what do you have? Oil and sugar. 10.44. And also, guys, join my Discord. It'll be linked in the description. You guys will also get to see new videos coming out. So yeah. And I'll also, if you guys do join in, you'll also get hints of what videos are coming out next. Like I might like post a thumbnail or something like that. Okay, so we do have enough for a fridge, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that. Oh wait, yeah, there we go. I'm also want to get some products along with that, but like the new products like milk, eggs, and that too. And then I'll just order these ones and. Oh, we don't got enough money for this. Hang on. Never get enough money for stuff. Okay, is that good enough? How much does this cost? $3.17. Yep, I can buy that. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, welcome to morning, day 8. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Let's see. We do have customers coming in, so that's good. I might need to order some more oil and sugar and cereal. Okay, yep. Buy all the products and to keep the store going because we need money, and if we don't get money, guess what happens? We can't pay bills. But this is something was too expensive. I really did. 50, 25, 10, 1, 2. Okay, and then they're gonna want 20. We're gonna give them 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 50, 10, 10. There we go. There's your change back. You want more change? I'll give you that. And then I'll give you this, and boom. Please pay with card. They're gonna make me do math. I don't like math. Please be card. Finally, someone knows how to do business. Okay, I'm gonna leave you real quick. My product's been delivered. Oh my god, they even pack it in a box? Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm I think I should put it like, ooh, back here maybe? Get it perfect. That's good enough. Okay, so then the new products also came too, so let's see what this one is. This is milk. So I think I'm going to put milk probably there. Looks like a good spot. Oh, there's more. Well, here, I'm going to set the price for it real quick. Set price. Let's see, let's go... Let's go 250. 249. Good enough. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of the milk to there. Okay, there we go. Chuck that in there. Grab this new product. What is this? Eggs. We have eggs. Oh my god, I'm not gonna have enough room. Okay, chuck that. Set the price. We're gonna go for... No, let's go a bit more. Good enough. Okay, I'll get right to you guys. Okay, you got cereal. 5.90, thank you. Okay, that'd be 8.17, thank you. Oh, 8.41, and you bought a lot of milk. Okay. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna, oh my. Okay, so we need oil. We're just gonna need all the top items. But we do have these. Wait, this bottled water? Kinda looks like soda. Okay. Okay, chuck you there. What do we got here? Is this, okay, no. Okay, we're gonna have to close you up and throw you down there. Set a price for this. Okay, bottled water, even though it looks like carbonated soda. I say we go 187 there. Okay, and then I need cereal. Okay, we have enough money for that, I think, maybe. Okay, I definitely need that, this, and... Okay, yeah, I do got enough money for it. And I want to get one of these, but ooh, 66, that's a lot. So the tea and the coffee are really, really expensive. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just do that for now. No products out there, right? Yep. So all we got is the fridge section for now. Okay, guys, and yeah, please buy stuff. 4.53. Also, comment down below, how was your guys' 4th of July? Was it pretty snazzy? Was it good? Mine was good. Family did lots of fireworks. Oh, here we go. Okay. That'd be 18.57. Okay, you got water and milk. That would be 4.36. Really wish we could scam people, like just an extra dollar. Just $1. It wouldn't be that bad. Okay, we got 9.44. So I'll do 5, 1. Boom. Okay, you got 3 eggs and a bottle of water. 15.46. There you go. 1 egg. And you got 2. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I gotta go get a product. Or actually 2 products. Okay, which one is this? Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. I don't know if it was in the same spot, but it's gonna be there. Throw you in there. The cereal went there. Okay. Also, I love how it says item recycled even though it's a trash can. It's funny. Okay, all another package is delivered. This game just I'm gonna be running back and forth all day, aren't I? There we go. And you, sir, you get 5. There. Also, there needs to be lights in this game. I don't know if there is. I haven't explored much of the place. But there really does, if there isn't. 4.53. Okay. I'm gonna look if there is lights. What's the bank got? Oh. Manage services. I can hire a cashier. Ooh. Service lasts 5 minutes. Why not? Oh, they only work for a period of time. That's kind of not fun. Yeah, okay. Okay, we have cheese, I think it is. Oh, let me set the price of that. Oh, no, not that. Let me set the price of this. Hey, leave my mozzarella cheese alone. Usually it's pretty expensive, so I'll do that. 3.92. Okay, we're gonna bring this box to the recycling can. Okay, we got another package delivered. We have oil. Okay. No thanks. I said no thanks, game. Okay. Just skip to morning, because this guy needs to be actually working. Because they cost energy points. I don't know how this game works. Just the way it does. Okay, so we got that. I think that this was pretty successful today. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to join my Discord. Goodbye.